What's up everyone? It's Tim and I'm back to show you another one of my latest projects. Wiz smart lights are relatively inexpensive. I picked up these basic A19 bulbs at a hardware store for about $15. They connect directly to your Wi-Fi network and do not require a separate base station of their own. Among other things, they support a very basic control protocol with commands sent via UDP on the local network. We've recently released a library that makes it easy for you to control the lights from CircuitPython. Simply initialize an instance of the Wiz connected light class with the IP address of your light, and then set its properties to control the RGB color, light temperature, and brightness. You can also turn the light on and off, or set it to any of the built-in scenes. You can control your light with buttons like I've done here with a basic remote control built on a breadboard, or if you want to get more fancy, you could hook up sensors or other data sources and use them to control the light. The library is published now and available in the CircuitPython library bundle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.